At Medikonda Nutrients, botanical ingredients are manufactured through structured processing systems designed to preserve phytochemical integrity while meeting global quality standards. Our Gotu Kola, Centella Asiatica, leaf powder is produced under controlled, traceable, and export-ready conditions to ensure safety, consistency, and formulation performance for nutraceutical and herbal applications. Gotu Kola leaves are sourced from verified cultivation regions operating under sustainable agricultural practices. Harvesting is performed at defined maturity stages to support optimal concentration of naturally occurring triterpenoids, including Asiaticoside, Medikonda, and related bioactive compounds. Only healthy, contamination-free leaves are approved for production. Each batch undergoes systematic evaluation, including physical inspection, foreign matter removal, visual conformity assessment, moisture level verification. Non-conforming material is segregated before entering the processing line. Leaves pass through sequential washing and cleaning modules designed to reduce surface impurities without causing mechanical stress that could affect sensitive phytoconstituents. This stage establishes a hygienic processing baseline. Drying is conducted under calibrated temperature and airflow parameters to prevent degradation of triterpenoid compounds, maintain natural green pigmentation, stabilize moisture content, support extended shelf life. Water activity is optimized to ensure microbial stability. Dried leaves are processed using food-grade pulverization systems engineered to minimize heat generation during grinding. The powder is passed through defined mesh systems to achieve consistent particle size tailored to customer specifications. Advanced sterilization methods are applied to reduce microbial load while maintaining product integrity and nutritional value. Every batch undergoes rigorous quality testing, including heavy metals, microbial parameters, moisture content, and compliance with international standards. Finally, our organic Gotu Kola leaf powder is transferred to the packing and storage area and then exported to all over the world. We offer contract manufacturing and private labeling options packed in pouches, canisters, and in the form of capsules and tablets. Nurturing the herbs with sustainable practices, food safety, consistent quality assurance, with no use of pesticides, with a bit of love and care. We are Medikonda Nutrients.